In this video, we are going to analyze a very simple binary using Radare2 framework. So here I have a simple binary file which asks for a password and checks if the password is correct or not, and then displays the result accordingly. So we are going to analyze this binary using Radare2 framework, which comes inbuilt with Kali Linux, and try to figure out the password. To launch this binary with Radare, the command is R2-D to launch this binary in debug mode and the name of the binary. So this will launch the R2 framework attached to the simple binary. Now, one of the first things I like to do is to set the assembly language format, and I prefer Intel format. The command for that is asm.syntax is equal to Intel. And the next thing I do is to analyze all the flags and functions in the binary, and you can do that by giving the command AAA. Next, we are going to list all the functions in this binary. So these are all the functions available in this binary, and we are going to start with main. The command to display assembly instructions for a function are pdf at the rate function name. So in this case, the function name is main, and it will print out all the instructions for this function. And if you go through this instruction, here you will see that after the password is entered, it is moving the string into EAX, and then it's moving the string into var underscore 14h variable. And if you come down a bit, here you'll see that strcmp function is being called, and just before that, the arguments for that function, which is the strings to compare, are being stored in RSI and RDI registers. So if you place a breakpoint at this location and execute the binary and then see the contents of RSI and RDI, we should be able to see the correct password. So I'll write the command db and then paste the memory address, and then we'll issue the command dc to continue running, and it will ask me for the password. I will issue test, and we have hit the breakpoint. So let's issue clear and once again see the contents of main function. Now to print the contents of RSI and RDI registers, we'll use the command px at the rate RSI first. And here you can see the string, and this is also accompanied by a test string. So in all probabilities, this is the password that this application is expecting. Let's also print the contents of RDI, and here it is the string that we gave. So it means that RSI register is storing the string that the application is comparing our string to. So let's exit R2 framework and let's execute the binary and try to give the string as a password, and it says the password is correct. So this was a quick demonstration of how to use R2 framework with a very simple binary.